Little Tomato.
5 little fishes swimming in a pool, splashing and swishing, feeling very cool. One saw a bubble and went to play. Hey! Then 4 little fishes swam away. 4 little fishes swimming in a pool, wiggling their tails and following the school. One chased a seashell, shining bright all day. Hey! Then 3 little fishes swam away. 3 little fishes swimming in a pool, dancing in the water, happy as can be. One found a starfish and stopped to stay. Hey! Then 2 little fishes swam away. 2 little fishes swimming in a pool, splashing in circles, playing by the rule. One found some seaweed and wanted to play. Hey! Then 1 little fishes swam away. 1 little fishes swimming in a pool, swimming all alone but still feeling cool. Then all the fishes came back to say, hey! Let's swim together and play all day. Yay! 5 little fishes swimming in a pool, splashing and swishing, feeling very cool. They wave their fins and happily say, we love to swim and play all day.
Please like, share, yeah, and subscribe to Little Tomato. Wow.